What's up, you guys? It's Candee TV with your host, Candee, of course, coming to you with our first ever home studio renovation series. If you find interest in DIY projects, home renovation, building, or anything of that nature, this channel is for you. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share to help grow my subbies. What you're watching right now is just me mapping out everything that I want to change in the studio, and that includes the floors, the ceilings, the windows, the doors, the cabinetry, and the walls. So basically everything that's in the space currently is going to change, so stay tuned for that progress. So for everyone that lives in the Bahamas, throughout my videos, you would see that I reference Kelly's a lot, AID a lot, and FYP. It all depends on the material that I need to get my studio together. So today I went into Kelly's to pick a color. I always loved a gray subtle color for my walls. My room right now is gray, so I knew from jump that I wanted to do a gray color for my studio walls. So what I did today was I chose, I'm not sure what's the name of the gray, I will drop it in somewhere on the screen, but I did choose a shade of gray that I'm going to be putting on my walls. In this part, you're going to meet my plumber and my mason. So basically they're just rerouting the heater from the inside of the washroom to the outside, and then blocking off the kitchen with a sheet of plywood temporarily until we do the permanent fix towards the end of the video. So they're just moving around some things so I can be able to do what I need to do to move to the next step. Okay, listen guys, at this point I was confused because how hard is it to remove clips for a blind? I don't understand. I checked YouTube, I paused the video and I checked YouTube, and my blinds just wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. So yeah, I had to leave that alone and ask for help, obviously, because I couldn't get that down. Okay, so you could tell by the looks on my face that I don't like dust. I don't know, it just irritates me and it curls my skin, but I had to get it done anyway. So this is just me prepping the blind area and the bars to be cleaned, painted, whatever else I need done. So after my dilemma with taking the blinds down, I just left it there until I got someone to move it. So this clip is basically just me getting ready to do what I've been waiting to do since I walked in, and that is get rid of this ugly color. So yeah, stay tuned for priming. I don't know what made me feel like this was gonna been easy, but it definitely wasn't, because I wasn't expecting to have to do so much stuff, especially with the dust. Like, I was over it. I love to clean, but like it was just doing too much for me. So this is just me basically mopping. I just feel like this part is so satisfying. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I am very big on like color matching, maturity, like grown, sexy. I don't know how to explain it, but like this room just wasn't given that at all. So like this part was very satisfying to me. Just watching that hideous yellowish mustard color be painted away with this beautiful, even though it's simple, white, beautiful primer. So this is just me and Faye getting through the four walls, which felt as though they were never going to be covered. And at the end of this, you still will see that I wasn't completely done. I did the rest off camera because it was becoming kind of like, repetitive. I didn't want to make this video boring. So that's what I worked on. And I'm super, 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 super proud of what it's looking like. Bear in mind, I'm not a professional painter, me neither my bae, but we did what needed to be done. And honey, the result is giving. In person, on camera, it's giving, okay? Listen, at the end where you see that I was by myself, yes, Bae ghosted me because he was complaining about sinus. So I had to understand I don't have sinus. So for those of you who do have sinus, you may understand. Let me know in the comments if he lying, so I know what to do with him going forward. Because why would you lie to me like that? But it was okay. He left at the ending part, so I just covered what needed to be covered and I left because I think it started to rain as well. It got dark, and I just was fed up. Like, I was really tired at the end. So yeah, if you see any spot undone, I definitely did that off camera. And we are done, guys. I definitely was humbled by those blinds. I really thought it was like a simple clip in, clip out kind of thing, which it is, but I think because those blinds were out for so long, it was kind of difficult. But never mind that. I will have those removed in the next video. But yeah, this is just me cleaning up my brushes, getting ready for the next step, which will be painting in the next episode. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the end, which is a final view of what we did today. Bye, guys.